Well, it's about 12:30 on Monday morning. It is pouring out. Holy cow. That is a lot of rain. Not going to be going outside for a little while, but holy cow. Dang. Sky looks kind of pretty though. Just wanted to film this, show everybody. Alright, enough of the rain, because it looks like it's slowing down a little. Sun's coming out. So, I think we're going to end this vlog. If you liked it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.